So now we're gonna take a look at the last two things, which is intermarket analysis and research dates. The first thing here is intermarket analysis. That's a copy paste from an other indicator, which I haven't hidden. It probably still does something, maybe even something useful, but it's not supposed to be so much used with this, but it's basically allowing you to select a secondary market. In this case, it would be SPY or QQQ. If you use primary or secondary, you can use them at the same time. And this only filters the trend, if I remember right, to the upside. And the trend, as far as I remember, is based on the slower one, moving higher over some period of time. And I don't remember how it works, so I can't explain this to you. I'll look at this later. I'll build it better later. But for now, well, you may want to use it. It actually improved the results, so why the heck not, right? But can I explain this to you? No, because I don't remember how it works. It's, I don't know, something like 2 years since I programmed this for the climbing valley strategy. And I have not even taken a look at that on this side. I wonder if it worked for the drops as well. Probably does. 3 and 20. Yes, it does. So you can't even choose whether you filter bear or bull side, which is of course what you would like to do, separate them. Well, it's coming later. But it seemed to work for the bull side, so it's certainly something I want to take a look at. Because when you put this filter on, your trades improved, did they? I think they did, but now they're not changing anymore. Whatever. If I use the secondary filter, now it would be, yeah, it's filtering with Nasdaq. Improved this one. I think it made that one worse. Which kind of makes sense, because if this is only looking for the uptrend, which is what it should be doing, because the climbing valleys was only for buying. When you want to short an uptrend, that's usually a bit less effective than when you're shorting a downtrend. So that's the intermarket analysis. Now let's check at the research dates. Let's take a look at the research dates rather. So this is just like if you want to research, limit your research days when it comes to the data box. Let's say I want to only simulate from the 1st of January 2018 until well, as long as it goes. I would put this on and see how good Tesla has been recently. Quite damn good. Quite damn good on both. Now if I would like to look at how 2011 to 2019 or 18 those dates did, so basically how good it was before, I would do that. And I would say that, well, it was still alright, but it wasn't so insanely good. So here you can, for example, you can simulate how each 1 year period worked with your strategy and do that kind of like deeper analysis. If something worked super well until 2015 and since then it has been horrible because something changed in the stock that you're looking at, or something changed in the markets or the economy or whatever, you may not want to trade that anymore in 2023 or 2024 or whatever is the year when you're watching this. The other way around, if something was horrible before 2015 or before 2011 and it started working from then onwards, and it has worked fine for the past 15 years or whatever, then you're probably thinking that, hey, if it was bad in the 90s or early 2000s, I don't care too much. If it has been good ever since, chances are it's still going to be good today because it was great yesterday. That's something that you could do. Or when you see that it's a bear market starting, you may want to go to the previous bear market and see how 2007-2010 period did with the short strategy that you're probably thinking, or the buying the deep dips strategy that you may be thinking about. Then check the 2018 choppy times. Then check the 2022. How did it work then? When is the next bear market? I don't know when it would be. Who cares? Or maybe 2023 continues to be a bear market. You may want to look at those bear periods when you're deciding if you want to trade something that is geared especially towards that market environment if you're building that sort of strategies. So this is how you may want to use your research dates filter. I hope this was helpful. And when something updates, I'll update the video where it was updated. Enjoy, make a lot of money. Bye.